channel. Welcome to the video. So today I'm gonna do the fastest get ready with me ever because we need to check out of our Airbnb. So right now I'm on a big friends trip right now for a combined bachelorette trip. You can probably hear my friends chatting in the living room. We've had so much fun and everything has just been packed to the brim with fun activities, and the main ones being that the day before yesterday we went on a boat. We were on a yacht and it was amazing. It was so huge. I literally felt like I was on an episode of Below Deck, and the crew were so nice. Everyone was just so amazing. We had sandwiches and amazing cocktails, and I also went jet skiing. The bachelorette, they rented jet skis for a couple of hours and we went out and about, and so I was like psh, psh. It was so much fun. I did get a little burnt. You can't see it right now, but well, you can see it right here on my chest. I want to cry. It is so painful, but alas, we're here. I did have a bunch of fake tan on and now I'm real tan, or at least semi-burnt. And oh my gosh, my tripod is a little bit struggling right now, and I'm using my monitor as a mirror. But yeah, we've been having so much fun. This is basically what I've been doing, just like a little concealer. I've just been kind of slapping it on. Of course, we're all like embracing our natural beauty. I've been using a little bit of bronzer. This is the Hoola bronzer. So yeah, this has been like my easy beach makeup. Clear brow gel as usual. I did have to go to Ulta and get some hair mask and body lotion because I was completely out, and they were, as of today, as of when I'm filming, they are wrapping up the last day of their 20% off sale, or really their staggered tiered sale. So I got quite a good deal and used my points, which is so fun. And then yeah, so I've been really enjoying this Maybelline Superstay Teddy lip tint. And then for mascara, I got this Maybelline Firework mascara in waterproof, which has been really cute, very nice and soft on the lashes. Let's just call it even. Why is this even happening? And then I do put a little bit of this on the cheeks and it just gives the softest rosy glow. Okay. So yeah, that's the look. With that, I need to get going. Love you so much. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment. Tell me what you've been up to this summer. I've been missing you so much. So many kisses. Bye.